Have you noticed how your energy isn't what it used to be? Maybe nights feel longer because of constant bathroom trips, and intimacy feels more like a struggle than a joy. Too many men over 50 assume this is just part of aging. But the truth is, it doesn't have to be this way. Science now shows that simple natural foods, including certain fruits you can find in any market, may help restore your comfort, confidence, and vitality. And in today's video, I'll show you exactly how. Let's start with the silent challenge many men face, an enlarged prostate, also called benign prostatic hyperplasia, or BPH. By the time men reach their 60s, more than half will experience it. The signs are familiar: a weak urinary stream, the feeling your bladder never fully empties, and the frustrating cycle of waking up multiple times each night. For some men, these symptoms quietly chip away at their energy, their sleep, and even their confidence with a partner. Now here's the good news. While medication exists, science shows us that certain natural compounds in fruits can directly ease inflammation, improve circulation, and protect the prostate at a cellular level. Unlike drugs, which may come with side effects like dizziness or sexual dysfunction, these foods work gently and holistically, supporting your entire body. The secret is consistency, adding the right fruits to your diet week after week until the results build naturally. So which fruits are most powerful? Let's explore them one by one. Cranberries have long been associated with urinary health, but they're not just for women. These tart red fruits contain powerful compounds that reduce swelling inside the prostate and improve urinary flow. In fact, studies show men who regularly consume cranberries experience fewer nighttime bathroom trips and greater comfort overall. Next, let's talk about red grapes. Beneath their sweet flavor lies resveratrol, a natural antioxidant that calms inflammation and helps balance hormones. This balance between testosterone and estrogen is critical for healthy prostate function. Grapes also support circulation, which is essential not only for prostate health, but for overall vitality. Then we have apples, one of the simplest and most affordable fruits out there. Apples are rich in quercetin, a flavonoid that reduces swelling in prostate tissue. That's why the old saying, "an apple a day keeps the doctor away," may hold more truth than we think, especially for men dealing with BPH symptoms. Another fruit you may not immediately think of is the avocado. Known for its healthy fats, avocado provides beta-sitosterol, a plant compound proven in multiple studies to reduce urinary issues linked to an enlarged prostate. These healthy fats also support testosterone production, giving you more energy and vitality throughout the day. And finally, tomatoes. They're one of the most studied foods for prostate health thanks to lycopene, the antioxidant that gives tomatoes their red color. Lycopene concentrates inside prostate tissue, where it helps reduce inflammation and protect against further enlargement. Interestingly, cooking tomatoes actually makes lycopene more absorbable, so pasta sauces, soups, or even tomato-based curries may do your body more good than raw slices alone. Now, here's the key takeaway. Each of these fruits offers benefits on its own, but together they create what nutritionists call food synergy. Nutrients working in harmony to grapes support circulation. Apples calm swelling. Avocados balance hormones. Tomatoes protect and repair. Added together, they create a natural shield for your prostate and your overall vitality. The results don't happen overnight. But research shows that men who consistently add these fruits to their diet notice real improvements within 6 to 12 weeks. Fewer bathroom trips at night, deeper sleep, stronger energy during the day, and even more confidence in intimate moments. And when paired with regular exercise, proper hydration, and quality sleep, the benefits are even greater. So here's the truth. An enlarged prostate doesn't have to control your life. Small, consistent choices, like eating the right fruits, can restore your energy, your sleep, and your sense of connection. These aren't exotic superfoods or expensive supplements. They're simple, affordable fruits found in almost every grocery store. If this video gave you hope or new knowledge, please share it with a friend who may be silently struggling. And don't forget to subscribe for more evidence-based health strategies designed to help men over 50 live stronger, more confident lives.